Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with, introduce yourself.
Dani.
She's my sister and she has been begging me to film a video for like the longest time. So today she's here on my channel. Smile. Not a fake smile. No, we are not twins. She is 15 and I'm 21. So that's
21? You're stupid.
So there's a high age gap between us, but today we are going to be following a Vogue makeup tutorial, and I'm really excited for this because she is the queen of caking your face and I am the queen of using I hate using too many products. And she hates blush, she hates
nasty
cream highlighter.
Nasty.
And she hates not doing her eyebrows, so that's like all we're gonna do today. So I went on YouTube and checked for like Vogue makeup tutorials, and there was this one that I really liked because I feel like it's something that I would do. And it's by Emily Ratajkowski. Is that her name? I think it is. Anyway, it's almost 7 minutes long, and I don't know guys, like I am just very basic. I think that less is more, and like there are things that she does that I would do differently. So if you want to see my minimalistic makeup routine, I will film that for you guys. I love glowy skin. She hates glowy skin. I love natural makeup. She hates natural makeup.
Disgusting.
So let's get started.
My daddies.
This model is beautiful. Like she looks stunning without makeup.
With Vogue. Call it like kind of a sexy Bobby Brown look. Day to night. We're gonna have fun. Alright, my skin's been prepped. I've washed it, put on some moisturizer. The first thing I do is I use Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Foundation. I'm pretty tan right now. I actually got a little sunburn. My face I don't ever let get any sun on, so I tend to go a little bit darker.
Yeah, she's gorgeous.
Some bronzer, so here we go. I just use my fingers.
Sie macht's mit dem Finger, Mirella. Nein! I need a spoon.
A spoon? No, it's not spoon, it's brush.
It's a beauty blender.
Okay, this model uses her fingers, and my sister is not very impressed by doing that. I'm actually used to use my fingers.
Hey, Mimi! Nog alles unter den Nägeln.
So for foundation, I will be using this Mary Kay at Play matte liquid foundation, and I will be mixing it a little bit with this one. This VOGUE foundation. This is a Brazilian brand, guys. I like mixing it because I feel like this one is just a little bit too dark for my skin. And I just use my fingers. Oh my goodness, Anita, you don't have to do it like that. Do it like she did it. Apply it like a moisturizer.
This is disgusting.
You look amazing. She is doing it totally wrong. Like she has no idea how minimalism works. You don't have to you don't have to do it like this. It's like moisturizer. Did you use your hands?
Yes.
Good. She is a little sneaky, guys. Like she will do stuff behind our backs, I'm telling you.
Because I love a brush. I think that using your fingers just makes it blend more seamlessly. Next thing I do is eyebrows. We have Maybelline Great Lash. I don't feel like a normal person unless my eyebrows are brushed.
Yes,
to me,
you aren't a normal person.
So now for eyebrows, she only used clear eyebrow gel, but because I don't have it, we're gonna be using hairspray. This brush. Okay, and then I'll just brush it up. Like this. This looks kind of funny. The reason why I chose this tutorial is also because like I feel it's one of the best tutorials that Vogue has. As much as I love minimalistic makeup, some of them are really bad. Touch up my foundation here a little bit.
I don't like
I'm just reapplying it a little bit because I feel like I still have a little bit of redness on my face. I don't mind having redness, guys. Like I don't mind if my pimples are showing a little. Ew, it stinks.
I'm getting Kardashian.
I'm sorry. We always hurt each other accidentally. And it's like I'm sorry all the time.
A little bit of highlighter. I've been using this way too much
Yeah.
Milk highlighter and lip. So I just take into the eye, into there. My husband
I actually don't mind this part, but she really hates it. Okay, I'm gonna use the champagne one. We're gonna be using the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. No, you have to do a line here. Oh yeah, where did she apply it? You have to do a line, you have to do a line. Now blend it with your finger.
Nah.
Why are you laughing? The nose. Oh wow. Oh, it accidentally went on my pimple and now it's an illuminating pimple. I prefer using liquid highlighters, not cream highlighters, but like liquid, which I can just apply with my beauty blender. That's what I like to use. I see no difference actually, but I like it. It's fine.
I'm using a nude stick by Mary Phillips. I use a lot of blush, and even when other makeup artists do my makeup, I'm always like, more blush, more blush. And I might go a little bit on the nose too, which is like a 90s.
This is my sister's favorite part, I'm telling you. She hates blush. So not for blush, I don't have cream blush, but I have my favorite, all-time favorite, Pinch Me blush. Sometimes I don't even wear bronzer, but I have to put on blush. I love blush. She has this NYX palette. Show them your palette. Yeah, this is what she is going to use. Okay, so she applied it here on the nose and here, and she used a lot, guys. I don't like to put too much on, but I still think that it looks kind of bronzy. That's why I really love this color. I look like... Oh my god. I swear this is what she looks like in a video. Like she puts so much on. I look as if I have to put it on my nose.
No.
Yes.
This is disgusting.
I have to use my finger for that.
On the nose.
Okay, like right here. You have to put it on the nose too, okay? She applied it on the nose, so I just use my fingers now. Do I look like a model? Do I look like a model?
Ah, no.
Do I?
I look like a clown.
I look like those scary dolls from like a scary movie with no eyebrows. I do have microbladed eyebrows, so my eyebrows still look kind of full, but like it faded. Like this. So your nose looks like it's going up.
I look like I'm sick.
Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I don't use a ton of it. I just like to use a little bit of the bronzer. Take a brush, and this is just to like make the cheeks pop a little bit, and also bring in the forehead, because there's nothing worse than not looking like everything got blended together.
Okay, she did not contour her chin and her nose. Fuck. That's what I like to do. I just like to bring it down to my chin a little bit under my nose. Sometimes I don't do my nose, but I always like to like contour on my chin a little. So we're just gonna use this NYX contouring palette.
I look like a pig without contouring on my nose.
Okay, this side is done. That's what she did. Up to her face.
I don't like this challenge.
I swear I look so bad. Like this blush. Why did she put so much blush on? I'm so pale. I look as if someone punched me. I don't know. Oh guys, it's also supposed to be a 5-minute date night look, okay? We did... That's like the worst part of living here.
The only thing that I'm gonna do now is to just continue to like layer foundation or concealer depending on the coverage you want. I just like come back and do a tiny bit more concealer under the eye.
Okay, next step, she used concealer on her under eye and she just took a little bit like this. There you go. We're using the Catrice Camouflage, and this is going to like blend in with your blush basically and just like look more natural in her opinion. I swear I look sunburned. That's a lot. You have so much on. It's just a little. I really wanted this video to be a pretty one. She kind of looks like those people who have a major concealer problem on their red carpet pictures. We look like someone we don't like.
So now so I actually put this palette together. Just go in the crease and blend it up a little bit. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go in the same color and just go under. And this is another trick that I learned. A lot of people like to highlight the inside of their eye, but I actually think it looks better and makes your eyes look bigger when you bring it all the way around.
So now for eyes, she basically just used one color, which is brown, and she just applied it on her crease and on her bottom lash line, and she likes to bring it all the way to the inner corner. So just brown in your crease, okay? And just like blend it.
I'm not stupid.
Blend it! She hates me. I swear this model would love this brush because it has two sides. A smaller side and a bigger side. Almost summer here in Brazil. So now it's my turn for the eyeshadow. I also just broke my eyeshadow, guys. Like, I put my nail on it and it's gone. Was my favorite eyeshadow color, like not even kidding. This is also my go-to brown from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm not liking this. Oh my god, this brush is amazing. Could you please stop watching those videos? Please? No. She's obsessed with watching ASMR videos. It's annoying. I swear I look like I just learned how to do makeup. This is how I look. I like to do this eyeshadow thing, but it's like I don't like using this brush for it.
I love this Anastasia highlighting pen for underneath my eyebrows because sometimes when you do the brown, it can come up too high, and this just kind of makes it that separation clear.
You're doing it. You're playing it on your brows. I know that this is not meant for this, but like, let's just try, right? So, like this.
Right now, my favorite is the Glossier lash slick because it just looks so natural and just makes your lashes look so long.
So I will use this Tracta mascara from, and I will use this one. I don't have any idea if this is a this is a mascara. So I will be using this Tracta. This is a Brazilian brand. This is really good for like separating your lashes and making them look long. Mascara makes everything look good. No. Yes, it does. I love my natural lashes. I think they're pretty long and like curved. Mas natural é tua. No. I really love taking mascara on. What did you do?
Mine!
You just broke it. Like, I love my lashes. Okay guys, can you see how bad this actually looks? Like, the brush was really bad for blending. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna grab the same eyeshadow and fix it a little bit with a blending brush. I do not like this brush thing.
So for my lips, I don't like anything too pink. I like something pretty like berry, not super brown. Right on the lip line.
So now I'm looking like a pig. So now she applied lip liner on her lips. We're gonna be using this Soar by MAC, just like very light, not too hard. What are you doing? Now I'll just blend it with my finger because the lipstick that I have does not exactly match the liner color, and it's just going to look ridiculous if I have a harsh line. This is also my favorite lip liner from MAC. I love MAC liners.
Then I use Marc Jacobs J'adore, but I don't use a lot. So you can see, I just use that. Then to top that all off, I use Pat McGrath's incredible Lips Gold lip gloss. I posted this on Instagram, like just a selfie of me wearing this, and I got so many DMs and stuff because it looks like it's gonna be crazy glitter.
So for lipstick, we're going to be using this one, which looks very similar to the color she used from Marc Jacobs. This is by Mary Kay. I love Mary Kay, it's really good. What did she do? She went like this. No, just buff and done. And I will blend it a little bit with my fingers as well. I love this. This feels so amazing on the lip. It's like velvet. It's good. So now for gloss, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss in Gilded. I think that's the name. It looks like the one she used. It's beautiful. I love this gloss. This is gorgeous. No, you have to put it on correctly. Swipe it. This is like the only Anastasia gloss I own, but it's amazing. It also has this like pinky undertone.
It's cute, but I don't wear this.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you had fun doing this tutorial with us basically, and I hope you like to have my sister as a guest on my channel, and if you want her to come back, let me know because that would be fun. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my vlog on Sunday, and I will see you guys next time. She is such a snitch. She contoured her nose. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys, love you.
You got a fetish for my love.